And of course, you've got your regular invoices for those other services. You know, those final costs. But here's where it gets really cool. Flexibility. You can create multiple invoices for one order. Say one for prepayment and one for the final balance. Or even more if a client needs it broken down that way. Or let's say you've got a client who prefers everything bundled. You can group multiple orders onto one invoice. This system adapts to you.
Talk about making life easier. No more trying to make one invoice fit every single scenario, and it puts the power back in your hands.
Exactly. It's all about customization. And that goes beyond just the types of invoices. Think about how you organize all those invoices too. Let's say you want to see every invoice for, I don't know, a specific order. Easy. You can sort by order, by version, or even by department. Need to find every invoice related to, say, binding services within finishing. You can do that too.
Oh, that's cool. I love how granular you can get with the organization. It's like having a super-powered filing cabinet for your invoices.